To play DOS games, first set up Retroarch. There's a bunch of videos on how to do that here. Then click Load Core. Go down to Download a Core. Then go down to DOS. Download DOSBox -pure. Then find your game. Use the internet and do your research. Use forums to make sure the websites are safe before you download things. And then add your game. See if this way works. For me, it didn't. But try it. And if that doesn't work, then what you'll have to do is click Window, toggle Desktop menu. Then go here, click New Playlist, and then just type DOS in all full caps. And then that will be there. And then click Add File. And then find your games. And then choose the core as DOSBox. And then choose the database as DOS. And click OK. And then there will be no picture. Click Close. Go here. Click Configuration File. Click Save Current Configuration. And then restart Retroarch. And then you'll find over here there's a thing. And then just play your DOS games.